Hello students, this question came in WBJEE examination 2025. That is, it is a PYQ, and everybody, obviously you know that there are 75 number of questions coming in WBJEE examination, and maths is the rank maker. Obviously, maths is the rank maker. On the contrary, there are weightage marks associated with the mathematics. So you have to solve lot of questions in maths, and there are certain chapters like definite integral, differential equation, limit, function. These are very important chapters, and more than 2-3 questions are coming from this type of chapters. And this is the definite integral question, and obviously this is the application of the king property. So everybody remember one thing, last 6 to 7 years regularly questions are coming on king's rule and series. Let's solve. And what is the king's property? First of all, we have to know the king property is that integration 0 to a fx dx equal to integration 0 to a f of a minus x dx. This is the king property. Actually, a to b fx dx equal to a to b f of a plus b minus x. So this is the main part of the king property, but it's okay. This property is very important property. So let's apply. What to do here? In this case, it has been given the integral as 0 to pi by 2 log ln. Everybody, we know that the base of the calculus in log is e. Therefore, this is the default. So we can write ln, we can write log. It may be coming in terms of log ln. Same thing, base should be e if nothing is mentioned. So log of 4 plus 3 sin x by 4 plus 3 cos x. So if I apply the king property, in this case 0 to a, in this case a is pi by 2. Therefore 0 to pi by 2 log of, I am just 0 to pi by 2 log of 4 plus 3 sin pi by 2 minus x by, in this case, 4 plus 3 cos of pi by 2 minus x. Right? We have applied the king property. Now we are writing here, that is 0 to pi by 2 log of 4 plus 3 sin pi by 2 minus x is cos x, we know, and cos pi by 2 minus x is sin x. So we are writing here 4 plus 3 cos x by 4 plus 3 sin x dx. So we are adding, this is I, this is also I. Therefore I plus I 2I equal to 0 to pi by 2. Since limit is same, we can apply, we can add. So 4 plus 3 sin x by 4 plus 3 cos x plus log of 4 plus 3 cos x by 4 plus 3 sin x. So okay. Therefore, I plus I to I, we are adding log m plus log n, log m plus log n, log mn. This is the property of log. Therefore, I am just log m plus log n, log mn. I am multiplying. So 4 plus 3 sin x by 4 plus 3 cos x into this is under log, into 4 plus 3 cos x by 4 plus 3 sin x. So everybody, we are seeing that they are reciprocal to each other, so they are getting cancelled. So log 1, so 0 to pi by 2, log 1 is 0, we know that. So answer 2i equal to 0, therefore we can write I equal to 0. So everybody, answer of the question is option C. So what I want to tell you, one thing, questions are not hard. You have to just make your speed up so that you have to answer too much question, because continuously I told you that maths is the rank maker and there are weightage marks associated with the maths.